There are also times when it's necessary to find specific content within your document. Now, we're only looking at a very small document, but this could be hundreds, even thousands of pages long. In order to find specific information, we have several different ways of approaching it. The first approach is to use the Home tab. You'll find across to Editing on the ribbon, and in Editing we have Find, Replace, and also Select. Now in this situation with Find, I can find just specific information, or I can find with advanced features, or I can just simply go to a specific location within the document. Now I'm going to choose Advanced Find so that we have this nice little dialog box available to us. This dialog box lets me choose things in a very specific way. Now all three are here: Find, Replace, and also we have Go To. So I can jump around through the page and find exactly what I'm looking for. However, there's more complexity involved. Now I'm going to look for a particular word, and that word happens to be pose. So P-O-S-E. Now it should be able to find it very quickly because we're basically at the top of the document. Wherever the insertion point is, it's going to consider that to be the top of the document. So I'm going to find it. So I'll find next, and you'll notice it highlighted pose here. So it did find it. But there's even more possibilities here, because whether we are finding or we're replacing, and we're going to do both in a moment, then we can also choose more options. And in fact, we can even go down and format this information. So if I have found pose, and pose happened to be in black ink, then I could find it according to the style of font, the type of font, and also the color of the font. So we could actually choose that option as well. So I'm just simply going to replace it. So once again, I have pose. I'm going to type, I would like it to have pose underneath as well, but I want it to be capital P, O-S-E. And I'm not satisfied with that. I'm going to format it. So I'm going to click on Format. I'm going to choose Font. I'm going to make the color red, and I'm also going to make it bold. Okay, so it shows me primarily what the font will look like. I'm going to click OK, and you'll notice underneath what I'm looking for here is just basic, but underneath I'm going to replace it with bold font, and I'm underlining the color with red. Okay, so going to replace all. It says it found 7, so it's replacing all 7 of those words in the document. And I'm just going to close this so I can take a look at them. There it is, underlined with red, and we now have pose underneath. So every time it finds the word pose, it has automatically changed it. Now it didn't change the first one because we were already there, and it considered the end of the word as being the beginning of the document. What I would have had to choose is to choose the entire document and go back and modify it. So I hope this helps a little bit with the find and the replace function. It's really easy to use. You do want to play with it and get an idea as to what it can accomplish for you.